Ah, better. Let's go to YouTube. What happens when a fidget spinner falls? Ah, that's nice. Okay. What is it? Yeah, okay.
Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? It's Broken Kid, and today I'm going to show you what happens if a fidget spinner falls.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Funky bitch. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu
Oh, that was funny.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, please leave a like. If this one gets 10 or more likes, I'm gonna do a new fidget spinner video. And yes, the last one was really received well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aquiver Club.
Blah 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 blah. Is that really what happens when a fidget spinner falls? What in the hell was that? I wasted my valuable time, and why would I even subscribe? Damn!